Yeah, I was watching the videos with you driving, I was like, this guy has the best job in the world.
Oh, dude, I definitely do. Especially because, you know, like, I'm an engineer, but I'm not under the same gun all the other engineers are.
Yeah.
You know, they're working on the production car, and I'm working on the prototype. So it's like my job day to day is very much like complete this task on a daily, weekly, hardly ever monthly basis, whereas they're under like a much longer time horizon for their projects, you know?
Yeah.
And that's just a level of stress that I'm glad I don't have to deal with.
I know, I like where I work at, it's all on hands, we're doing, it's all research and development.
Yeah, so it's different every day, I'm assuming.
It's different every day, yeah, so.
Yeah, it's fun, I love it.
I love the change in it, you know?
Yeah, never gets stale.
Yeah. Man, this thing feels really smooth. It's actually pretty good.
I'm glad you say that, because the Alphas, you know, in my humble opinion, they've got a pretty jarring suspension.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, like, we can't take you out for a ride in the beta, but when and if you do get a ride in one with those updated suspensions, you're going to notice it's just like, it's night and day difference.
Yeah.
Like, I'm glad you think this is good, but
I think this is good.
that suspension in the beta is, feels like you're just in a regular car. Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Super plush, comfortable.
I love the sound. I think that's so cool.
I do like the sound too. I kind of hope that we like don't deaden out the sound as much as other automotive makers do. Like they deaden it out with insulation and other things, so you don't hear it as much. But I kind of like it.
I think it's cool. It gives you that. Oh my gosh! That's not bad. And this is the front-wheel drive version,
Yeah.
right? Wow.
And it's still neutered a little bit, you know.
Yeah.
It doesn't have a full production level cooling system, so you can't go as fast as you want to.
That's axial flux, baby.
Yeah. So what kind of work do you do? I guess your partners change all the time, right?
Well, we do research and development, but we're working on electronics, boards.
Mm-hmm.
We feel the chip shortage too.
Oh yeah.
So I got some parts on order that still aren't even going to be here until December this year, and I ordered them last year.
That's crazy.
So we feel it too. But we try to engineer around it and pick stuff that's easier to get, that maybe
might have a more domestic or closer source.
Yeah, and maybe not as like many options as you'd want,
yeah.
But it'll still work.
It'll get the job done. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, we're definitely having to work in the same environment too. But it's just, you just hope that some of the options you're making concessions for now aren't going to fight you back later when you want to change or upgrade, you know?
True, that is very true.
I'll show you, like, in the rich rebuilds and when Sandy and Monroe was here, this is the roundabout.
Oh, yeah.
This is the roundabout everybody does burnouts in.
Oh, he's funny. He's all, I'm not taking responsibility for that. There's flat spots. That was pretty funny.
That was all him. See, like, you can see the burnouts from previous beta excursions.
Oh, that's awesome.